Hi guys, I am back with more contact lenses. This time, it's from a company called Unibling. So they have sent me a package with 4 pairs of contact lenses. Let's try them out. Okay, so right away, I got really excited because they sent stickers and you write the date. You know when exactly you opened it. This is great. That's so cool. They also sent this travel case. Whoa. I got speechless. It comes with this little container where you can put your contact lens solution. And it fits right here. It's so cute. Tweezers. And your little applicator. There's nothing that screws on. You just close this. And it's nice and secure. We have 4 pairs of contact lenses, so let's try them out. Ooh, okay, that's good. This is my natural eye color. It's like hazel green thing. I don't know. They are gorgeous. They look amazing, they feel amazing, and they do not move. These are literally the best contact lenses I've ever had. These contact lenses are so lightweight. They do not move. I can't even feel them. Like, I can't even tell that they're on my eyes. This brand, I swear, if you are looking for contact lenses, I truly recommend this brand. Like, seriously, don't go anywhere else. Go to Unibling. Every single pair that they sent me is absolutely gorgeous. I hope this try on made you decide that you want to buy from Unibling, because I seriously recommend it. They are gorgeous. They are They have a huge collection of natural contact lenses as well as colorful contact lenses for Halloween and cosplay, and you can find a lot of cute contact cases. They also carry prescription contact lenses so you can look cute and be able to see. If you have any questions, comment down below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.